Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 1st, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro dollar, we finally did get a fairly decent move down today. I mean, if you look at it on the higher time frames, it definitely is like very insignificant. I mean, the daily, weekly, and monthly are definitely all still up. But this breaker structure to the downside definitely does tell me that at least the last 5 waves up is over. Now, this could possibly turn into a much bigger move to the downside, go down, break this structure, which if it breaks this structure, I think that will prove that the daily is turning down in a much bigger way. If it doesn't break that structure right there, which it definitely doesn't have to, it could potentially, end up making three waves down to one of these three Fibonacci levels. If it does do that, three waves down and golfing up, I would definitely keep an eye out for more logs. Now, if you do trade, much below the 1 hour time frame, if you're more of a scalper, then now that we have this little minor breaker structure, you definitely could start to look for shorts on much shorter than the 1 hour time frame. Just be very cautious because the higher time frames are still up. So if you see three ways down to a fib level and golfing up, then definitely get out of your shorts and go back to longs. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner, and also take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.